Hi everyone! Microsoft just opened the door to a second brain inside Copilot. For over 2 years, Microsoft 365 Copilot has been powered by OpenAI's GPT models. One brain, one engine, one provider. But that just changed because Anthropic's Claude is now officially inside Microsoft 365 Copilot. Copilot Studio, Power Platform, and even Researcher. And here's the thing, if your tenant is in the commercial cloud outside the Europe, this is turned on by default. That means your users might already be sending prompts to Anthropic's models without you even knowing it. And if you are in the Europe or UK, it's off by default. But you can opt in. So whether you want to turn it on, turn it off, or just understand what's happening behind the scenes, stay with me because this is one of the biggest changes to Microsoft 365 Copilot this year. Let's dive in. Let's go. First of all, I would like to clarify what is an AI subprocessor. What we have here in this table are data controller, data processor, and subprocessor. So the data controller is your organization. You are responsible for your data. Then we have Microsoft, which is the data processor. Microsoft will handle the data on your behalf. And then finally we have the subprocessor, like Anthropic Claude, OpenAI, and so on. There is, just to be transparent, just to clarify how the data flow works, there is an agreement between Microsoft and Anthropic Claude. Whenever Microsoft sends the data to Anthropic Claude, using Copilot, for example, Anthropic is not allowed to use the customer data for any other purpose, but Anthropic has to come back to Microsoft answering just the question. That's it. This is the purpose of this agreement. And this is what also secure you as organization. Okay, now that we clarify what is an AI subprocessor, let me jump on the demo environment that I have here on my tenant. So just today, I discovered a new user interface. This is a new UI in preview. This is the new Copilot. I logged on office.com, and this is the classic Copilot experience, the new one. So you don't have anymore the two tabs, Work and Web, but you have now this toggle button, Work IQ. I can turn off this and on. It depends if I want to pull my data from my organization or if I just want to consume the web as source. It's up to you. And then there is also this other multi-choice tab, let's say, Chat and Co-work. Co-work is another thing, but let's stay on Copilot, on Chat. And now let's touch the core of this video, which is here in this drop-down. I have now enabled this new AI subprocessor, Opus Claude. I have, of course, GPT. This is from a while already there, but the new intro is Opus Claude. So if you leave auto, Copilot will decide which model to use, but if you want to go specifically with Opus Claude, which in my opinion works very, very good, I like, and you have to select this and then drop your question or query here. That's it. Now, from an admin perspective, how you can enable this in your organization, because as I said in the introduction, if you are in the Europe boundaries or in UK, Opus it's not enabled by default. So you have to take an action as an admin. And to enable it, all you need to do is open the admin center of M365. Then you can, in the side panel, in the side pane, you can expand Copilot and then settings. Finally, here you can go on view all and you have to find something that mention subprocessor. There you go. This one. AI providers operating as Microsoft subprocessor. When you open this one, you are going to see Anthropic opening in this panel. Now, this is what I have done. So I just turned it on for all users. So all users are allowed to use Opus Claude. But if you want to start slowly, you can also target a specific user or groups. That's it. This is how it works. And then you have to check, of course, this checkbox, allow Anthropic models and Copilot experiences in Microsoft 365 apps. Then you can save it, and then you can enjoy this new AI model. As always, please let me know in the comment down below, what do you think about this new AI model coming to Microsoft 365 Copilot? I hope to see you next time. Bye.